Confidence boosting affirmations. Start your day with positive energy. Welcome to Inspire Haven. Today we're here to help you boost your confidence and step into your power. These affirmations are designed to remind you of your worth, your strength, and your limitless potential. Take a deep breath. Relax and let these words fill your heart with positivity. Number 1, I am confident, capable, and strong. Number 2, I trust myself to make the best decisions for my life. Number 3, I have the power to achieve my dreams. Number 4, I am proud of who I am and who I am becoming. Number 5, I am worthy of love, respect, and success. Number 6, I release all doubts and welcome self-belief. Number 7, I am unstoppable in the face of challenges. Number 8, I radiate positivity, courage, and strength. Number 9, I deserve to take up space and share my voice. Number 10, every day I grow more confident in myself. Thank you for joining us at Inspire Haven. Repeat these affirmations as often as you need and watch your confidence soar. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who could use a little boost. Remember, you are enough just as you are. See you next time. Like, subscribe, and share. Follow Inspire Haven for more motivational and inspiration.